Today, I bring a kid smartwatch. Now, this is a nice little watch for kids. You know, if you want to see their activity, how many calories they're burning a day, what if they're running around. It has a short range Bluetooth finder. So if you can't find your kid and he's somewhere in the playground, you want to make sure you're alerted to it. You could actually alert him, and you could actually find the location of it too. So this is a great item for kids that don't like a bigger iWatch. They want to get something smaller. This is a perfect tone. It's not that expensive, and it comes in multiple different colors, of course. And also, one thing that I like about it, it monitors your sleeping habits too. So if you have a child that's having problems at night and you want to make sure you want to monitor that stuff, this is another way you can do it. And there's other features in there, and we'll talk a little bit more about it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. All right, first of all, just to let you know up front that this was sent by a provider, one of the vendors, to test it out. I tested out one of their watches before for adults, and now we're going to test out this one for kids. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what you get. So first of all, if you notice, the watch it's actually smaller than any normal watch that you have. Even the iWatch, this is actually a lot smaller. It looks a lot durable too. It's all plastic right now, and then of course, nice little faded colors. Right now we can see pink around it in the edges. They give you the actual accessories for the actual watch, and then they give you a manual, and of course they give you the charging station, which is a type C charging station that you're going to get power cord, but it's a magnetic still station. So you can train your kids to actually charge this every night or every other night, because this lasts a couple of days. So on it, depending on their activity and their movement, and depending on the lightage and the usage of it too. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it works. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Right there, that's one slip, and then we do the other side too, the same. And there is a kind of if you guys noted, there is a little groove in there, and there inside of it, you see it. There's an actual groove in there too. So you got to make sure you're right in there. So go ahead and tuck it in. This is a little tough. There it is. You kind of feel it right now. To take it off, the same thing. You could change. It's reversible. You could change it left or right, either way. A button's on the right hand side right now. We could change it to be on the left hand side, depending on the side that you want your kid to be wearing the watch. Now, this is not going to fit any adult size, so it's a lot smaller. This is going to fit children, like I said. So let's go ahead and turn it on. First time turning it on, and I like taking the plastics off of everything. There it is. I just cranked it up first time, and it's shaking right now. We have more than full battery. It's giving me a timer right now, and of course, we're going to go ahead and turn it on. So right now, it's telling you there's a sleep mode. Let's keep going. A heart monitor, calorie counter, and that's pretty much a watch. That's pretty much it. You can set it up on your phone so you can track with the Bluetooth. It's locally tracked, like I said. But this, off the bat, you don't need anything. It's automatically working. You just click on it once, and because the timer, you can actually change that too. You could change the interfaces on there by downloading different interfaces too. Right now, they give you one single interface, as you can see. This is a very helpful thing so if you have children that are not sleeping very well and you want to make sure they get a nice sleep, or something's bothering them, this is one way you can find out too, by monitoring their tone, their daylight, their actual sleep monitoring. So it's strongly recommended to download the application. It's compatible with Apple or Droid. This way you could interface and change the actual interface with the watch, and also download new interfaces, and also keep a track with the Bluetooth enabled for your kid. And you could take pictures with the actual phone too. Also, good recommendation to download the application first.
Oh, you almost got it.
You almost got it. Ooh, look at that.
That's paying off the classes.
The classes, look at that. Let me see your watch. How many steps do you have on your watch? You know how to tell how many steps you have? So
One.
there it tells you right. No, the next one. Right there, right there, right there. Go back. How many steps does it say you have?
82.
82 steps. Keep on running.
That's more than I have.